Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Discover bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First up, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in discover.com. It will take you to the official website of Discover Bank, and over here you can see the login portal. Enter the user ID of your account, and in the password section, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, in this drop down arrow, choose your account type and click on Remember Me if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend if you are using a shared or public computer. And once you do that, click on Login. You will be logged into your Discover bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your user ID or password, you guys can reset it by clicking here Forgot User ID or Password. And if you are new to Discover Bank, and if you want to create a new account, click here Register Account. Also, you guys can activate your credit card by clicking over here Activate Credit Card. To check your application status, click over here click over here Check Application Status. So this much for this video. This is all about logging into your Discover Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.